Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to Lola's Reading Corner. My name is Ololade Kuku. In today's video, we will be looking at two personal pronouns, the pronouns I and me. Now, these two personal pronouns, I and me, are often wrongly used, especially in sentences in which, I is being used with another noun. Now, people find it confusing in their speech and even in their writing. But in this video, I just want to give you a tip that will help you to correctly determine which pronoun to use at, per time. Now, we use the pronoun I. The pronoun I is a subjective pronoun, along with pronouns like we, he, she, they, and you. They're subjective pronouns in the sense that they replace the person who is the subject in a sentence, who is the subject of the verb, the person doing the action. So I go, you go, he goes, we go, she go, they go, replaces Hannah goes, or Femi goes, or Kunle does, or the family of Aderubibe go. So these pronouns replace the subject. Now, when we use the subjects, they're the ones doing the action. It can be, she traveled to Nigeria last week. We're going to be working late. And then you can have Ayo and I are getting married. Now, Ayo and I, because Ayo is getting married to me, I am getting married to Ayo, we are getting married. So we can say Ayo and I are getting married. We're the subject. So we can use the pronoun I. Now, the pronoun me is an objective pronoun, along with other pronouns like us, him, her, them. And these pronouns are used when they're the objects of a verb or a preposition. When they're the objects of a verb or a preposition. So we have examples like they helped us. Maybe they helped us with our financial problem. And then we have Ola will visit my brother and me next week. Ola will visit my brother and me next week. Ola is the subject. That's the person doing the visiting. We are going to be receiving that person into our house or our home as a guest. So Ola will visit my brother and me next week. She gave the money to my sister and me. She, whoever it is, she is the person doing the giving. She is the subject. But my sister is receiving the money and I am also receiving the money. We are the objects. So she gave the money to my sister and me. So I hope, that has helped in a small way to help you to differentiate when to use I and me in sentences. I, subject of a verb, doesn't matter what name comes before, Femi, John, Hannah, Debbie, Samuel, Emmanuel, and I are going to, Emmanuel and I will be there. Emmanuel and I had a fight. Then we use me along with us, them, he, him or her, when they're the objects of a verb or when they come after a preposition. So we have things like between you and me, not between you and I, between you and me. Don't go anywhere, because there's a short quiz at the end of the video just for you to practice and to see how you get along. If you still don't understand, please watch the video over and over again, and I'm pretty sure it will help you. So I will see you in another video. Bye.